Loading. Yes. Alright, come here. Come here, Sam.
It's dark.
Come here, please. Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's fold these clothes real quick so we can get a snack.
Home.
Come here and stand over by the clothes so I can see if I've got you on the camera. Okay? Come over here.
No.
Come over here and help me fold these clothes, please.
Home.
And then we'll go get the library and snack and stuff. Okay? Okay. I'll be the folder and you be the putter in the basket. Okay? Here, Mommy help. I'll hand it to you and you put it in the basket, okay? Wait a minute. Sleeve's all wadded up.
Hey.
Okay. Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. What do we need?
Bag.
What do we need to put this in?
A bag.
A basket?
Uh-huh.
What?
Basket.
Look, Paul. Oh, you're going to get one?
Mm-hmm.
Well, good job. Go ahead and get a basket. Thank you, baby.
Pull out.
Uh-huh. Do you see it in the hallway? Right there. Yeah, that's a basket.
No Sam.
Oh, you got it? Okay.
No Sam.
No Sam.
No Colton.
Oh, you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I folded it and you put it in the basket. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. Put it in the basket.
We will Sam.
Oh, trade your spaces, okay?
Yeah, we
So I can hand these to you.
Why?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Wait. I'm the folder. You're the putter.
Say room. The room. That room.
They go in Sam's room?
Mm-hmm.
Is this Sam's shirt?
Mm-hmm.
Is this Sam's shirt?
Your daddy. No. Nope. Fine.
Fine, you're doing a fine job.
Not a train. Look here. Look. Listen.
Listen.
Nothing.
Are these Sam's?
Uh-huh.
Are these Sam's pants?
Uh-huh.
No.
No.
Are these Daddy's pants?
Uh-huh.
No.
Sam. No Sam.
Whose pants are they?
Sam.
You look pretty silly in those pants.
Room.
Alright. What's this?
No Sam.
Daddy's shirt. Yeah?
Come on, let's go.
Where does it go? In the basket?
Mm-hmm.
You're right.
Sit. Aha.
Oh, they match. Nice job. How about these two?
Uh-huh.
Those match?
No. Oh!
Very nice.
Woo!
How about that one? Is that the same?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's hold one of these up and see.
Same.
Those are the same. Same. You're very good at matching socks, aren't you? Is this your underwear?
No Sam.
It's Mommy's?
Uh-huh.
No.
Sam.
Daddy's. Look how big it is. Daddy wears big underwear and you wear little underwear.
Last sound.
There's, uh-oh. Look. Thank you. Oh, wait. Have you put this? Is it making static noises? Very nice. Where's the basket go?
Call.
You're the basket guy.
Call Hoy.
Okay, I'm hurrying. Good job, buddy. Thank you for your help.